my feet or anything.
Oh, you did, dude.
It's not as bad as it was. I'll probably still be someone in. No. Yeah.
And then you know.
Gotta throw like another rock in there.
Yeah, something to make this valley work.
Yeah. That's crazy. That
You might have to catch my rig here. I don't know.
What does that thing weigh?
No idea.
You got
It's
quite
just-
a bit in the front there. I
It's,
can tell. That's crazy.
it's just a stock carbon Vanquish.
That's crazy.
You might be able to make it. It's not looking too deep.
Come over
If you
here.
hug that side all the way. There you go. Right, you gotta come right.
Whoa. Oh, God. Oh, she's floating.